watching TV. She was. Get off my computer. Oh, she played my blank face man.
Twigs? Yes. Why twigs?
How did you do that?
I live in a tree, and a lot of people hate me. So.
Are you going to be good at computers too? Yeah. Meow meows. Meow meows. Miss Daisy. You're pretty kitty. You're pretty kitty. Where are you going? Where's you going? Huh? A pretty kitty. I got a good view of her butt. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Daisy! No, you can't have my string. Hi, girl. Yeah. Miss Daisy. Miss Daisy. Miss Daisy is driving me crazy.